eye only. Excuse me. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would truly appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. Today's video is going to be a affordable eye look. Sorry about the noise. People are walking above me. I can't really do much about that, so just try to ignore that. But today's video is going to be a affordable eye look. And the reason that this is affordable, it's not drugstore, because this is not drugstore makeup. This is makeup that the two palettes that I'm going to be using are two palettes that I used to use a lot when I started this channel, which is the Be a Mermaid and my Lit palette. Be a Mermaid is from Color Story, and Lit is from Beauty Concepts. These are two very affordable makeups. The Be a Mermaid is originally $7 and it was $4.99 at TJ Maxx. The Lit palette is originally $5 and it was $3.99 at TJ Maxx. So these are still very affordable, even if you don't get them from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure where you would get them from outside of that, because I've never seen them before, but that's just some price ranges just to let you know that you can do some affordable looks with cheaper makeup. I don't like calling makeup cheap, because if it's cheap, in my opinion, it's fake, and this is not fake makeup. So let's get right into this. Please keep in mind that this is going to be an affordable eye makeup look. It's not going to be affordable full face. So I mean, the products that I'm using are not that expensive, but they're not that inexpensive. Like, if I was on a budget, I definitely wouldn't buy these products. But I'm going to be prepping my eyes with concealer, and I'm going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I did a video on these concealers and the banana powder, but the sound to it was so terrible that I was unable to post it, and the sound to my Family Dollar video was really bad too, but I really couldn't redo that one. So I'm going to redo the Can't Stop Won't Stop. It just won't be a first impression. It just will be my thoughts on it. Minnie, quiet. So it just will be my thoughts on it. But today I'm going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Mahogany to prep my eyes. I guess I should have done my brows first. I'm going to do my brows first. Okay, now that we have brows, somewhat nice brows, I guess. I just want to clarify something. Again, this is an affordable eye look. I know that the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer is not that inexpensive, and this is the powder that I used was the Pretty Vulgar. It's $20, not inexpensive. It's really expensive. But the only reason I'm using these two products on my eyes is because I'm using them on my face, and I don't want to risk using two different concealers and powders and then they end up not looking and matching right. So that is the only reason that I am, but I'm going to give you affordable choices. One is a drugstore choice, which is the Maybelline Fit Me, which is what I normally use, and I use the shade 55 Hazelnut. And the powder that I would suggest would be the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder. So those are two options that you have. Or another option would be Morphe. The eyelid primer is only $10, I believe. $8 to $10, something like that. I feel like that's very affordable. I feel like that's not too inexpensive for anyone starting or deep in makeup. And I like the product. I have not used it in a while. I probably should have used it for this video, but it's okay. So let's get into this eye makeup. I'm going to be starting with this color right here. And I'm just going to pat that kind of all over my lid, mostly making sure that it's in the crease. Sorry for the air blower thingies, whatever they're called. They're blowing leaves and trash and stuff away. It seems like anytime that I'm trying to do something in here, they're out there trying to do whatever they're doing. So I apologize, but I'll speak up to make sure that you guys can hear me. Because they stay in front of my door like the entire time as if there's no other apartments around here. And I don't understand it. They stay in front of my door every time they're here. And then she gets upset. So there's really like no finishing what I'm doing because there's so much going on. I just pray that you guys can't hear this and I'm just being loud and then you're looking at me like I'm obnoxious. I'd rather that. Okay, I want to deepen up my outer corners. So I'm going to go into this color right here, but I don't feel like it's deep enough. So we're going to start with this color and then we're going to move to the Mermaid palette. And I'm just going to pat that on the outside and kind of swipe it into the crease. Yeah, that's not making it darker. So we're just going to go right into the Be a Mermaid palette. We're going to go into this darkest color right here and doing the same thing, just patting this on the outside and sweeping it into the crease. This palette has a lot of kickback and fallout, but it's okay. And we're just gonna make sure to blend all of that. I'm gonna go into this like powder blue purple periwinkle. How do you say that? What is that color called? Periwinkle? Periwinkle. That's what it's called. It's not really a periwinkle. Periwinkle is more purple, but this is like a powder bluish color. We're gonna go into that and put this in the inner corner and just brush it out. Across the lid is what I mean by that. Just brush it out across the lid. Now going back into the lip palette, I'm going to take this middle color here. It's like a shimmery. I'm going to put that into the brows and my inner corner. Sorry, that was my phone. First I'm going to clean this up. Let me grab a makeup wipe. Okay, like I said, I'm going to take this middle color and I'm going to put this into my brow bone and my inner tear duct. So now the lashes that I'm going to be using are, I threw my packet away, but they are from Envy, and this is the Iconic collection. And these, I don't remember what they're called, but they were $4, so very affordable. I got them from my local hair store. I'm pretty sure you can find something very similar, if not the same thing, at your local hair store because everybody's got a local hair store, you know? So I'm going to put on my lashes and then I will be back. My eyelashes are on. The mascara that I used is the e.l.f. mascara. This is the waterproof length and volume mascara. I use this all the time anyway. I think this was $3 or $5, $3 to $5, something like that. Maybe $6, but very affordable. So I'm gonna do my foundation and everything, put the rest of my face on basically, and then come and finish the rest of my eyes because I have to do under my eyes. So be back. Okay, so I have finished my face, did my hair a little bit, just a little bit, and now I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to put some eyeliner and mascara and put a little bit of the colors under, and yeah, let's get into this. So the eyeliner that I'm using is Auto Eyeliner by LA Colors. This was $1 at the Dollar Tree. There's Dollar Tree everywhere. It's a nationwide store, so this is affordable and you can find this anywhere for everybody. So going into the waterline with this. I'm going to go in with this Luxie 243 brush, and I'm going to dip into the first color that we used, which is this one in the lip palette. I'm just going to kind of blend that underneath. Going back with the Morphe M139 brush, I'm going to go into the Mermaid palette, and we're going to use that deep, dark purplish color. And that is this entire look. That is an affordable eye look. It's nothing loud and look at me, but it is very, I mean, it's subtle, it's nice, and it's there. I mean, it's something you could wear every day. So you could use these two palettes. I used to use these all the time when I started my channel, when these were the only two palettes that I had. And I did some really nice looks, I think. So I think that affordable palettes are definitely easy to work with. They don't hinder you. A lot of people feel like there's not a ton of colors, which there isn't. There isn't a ton of variety in these two, but these are the two that I have. And these aren't the only two affordable palettes that I have. I have other affordable palettes. It was just these two that I was working with today. But I like doing this. It's a challenge in my opinion, especially when you have worked with more expensive products and you've experienced being able to have a little more color with everything. It is a challenge, but I like that. I like that there is a challenge with this, and I'm having to go back to a humbling place and be, not even that, it's being creative. I have to be creative when I have less colors. It used to be really hard for me when I had less colors because I felt like I needed to use all of them, where it's like now I know that I can chill a little bit and be good. I've only used 3 colors on my eyes and it looks great. Actually 4, but it looks great. I like it. If you guys like this look, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.